Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does have the luxury line with 18-inch alloy wheels, luxury exterior and interior, Mercedes-Benz hood emblem, silk beige MB text interior, ambient lighting, and natural grain black ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, comfort box for extra storage, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, power windows, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 30,045 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.